slipped in the first 100.
You were the fastest 8K runner in the history of SUNY Delhi.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
It was pretty sick. $25.07 was the magic number. I couldn't have done it without the guys, Lucy and Coach. Like, it all starts with them. Like, without them, we wouldn't be winning all these back-to-back national champs. That gave people a little weight. Delhi is back, taking care of business like we always do.
2508.
Me and Coach just connected and everything. We talked to him about anything. If we got any problems going on, we talk to him about it. It's a culture like that. It's just like helping out each other, like, you know, using each other, what's like somebody's good at, and then, you know, taking care of the younger guys. It's all about development.
Let's go, Derek! Move!
Coach is just a hype guy. He's one of the boys. He just comes out of nowhere, woo! That gives me a little bump, you know, so a little gear. I like the views out here. I like the hills that we get to training that other schools don't have. Delhi just fits in perfect. Professors could give you one-on-one attention if you need to. Delhi has everything. The vibe's good. Even though we're a small school, it doesn't really matter as long as you have the right coaching and the right facility and the right people around you. We got some big boys, you know, so watch out. We got some big boys coming up. It's gonna be a problem next year. Delhi is gonna have some fast boys.
1, 2, 3, Broncos!
Go Broncos, yes sir, we're coming, baby.